So we're going to start with this problem. It's going to be a quadratic equation with a number in front of the squared variable. So we'll say 6x squared minus 17x plus 5. Now here's the shortcut. I learned this today. Bring these guys down. Now you're going to bring x squared minus 17x plus. Now what are you going to put here? So we grab this number, multiply it by this number, and you get 30. So now we have 30. How do we break that apart? So we have to come up with two factors of 30 that when you add them together will equal 17. When you multiply them together, it will equal 30. So you could do 1 and 30, but that only gets you either 31 or 29. Remember, you're going to either plus them or minus them. So then we go to 2. This one's pretty easy. 2 and 15. So this both is going to equal 30. 2 plus 15 equals 17. Now, if you multiply two negatives, you get a positive, which is a positive right here. You add two negatives, you get a 17 negative, which is this right here. So then we break these numbers down. So we're going to x plus, x minus 2, x minus 15. Are we done? No, we are not done. I'm going to work backwards now. X minus 2, x minus 15. X minus 2, x minus 15. So then we get the number that we had in the beginning, which was a 6, and divide them both by 6. Now, how do we reduce these fractions? The 2 over 6 is really easy to reduce. Reduce it, you pretty much divide them by 2. Cut them in half. So then the 6 becomes a 3. The 2 becomes a 1. So then you're left with x minus 1. What do you do with this 3? Put this 3 over here. Same thing with this. Now you can divide these each by 3 goes into 6 2 times. 3 goes into 15 5 times. So then this 2 gets brought up over here. So then you have 2x minus 5. Remember, this one was the top number. That's the answer. That's it. Now, if you have trouble, just restart the video. I tried filming this like 5 different times, and this is like the best way I can write it. The only improvement I could make is probably my handwriting. And if I had like a bigger place to write on, would be a lot easier too. This is what I'm left with. So hopefully this makes sense. And yeah, I'm gonna upload it and hopefully you guys make sense of it.